I've been exploring Constant Contact to see how well it performs for everyday email marketing, and what stood out right away is how approachable it feels. The interface is clean and straightforward, which makes it easy to get started even if you're new to email marketing. Building campaigns, using the drag-and-drop editor, and managing contact lists all feel smooth, and the platform provides clear onboarding that guides you through the first steps. Template variety is strong, and there are plenty of options that are mobile responsive and customizable. Some designs feel a little dated, but they still get the job done if you don't want to start from scratch. The platform also includes forms, pop-ups, landing pages, and even event management tools. That last part is unique, because if you run events or need RSVP and ticketing features, it's already built in. Deliverability is generally reliable, with the system supporting domain authentication and monitoring spam complaints to help keep emails landing in inboxes. Reporting covers the essentials, giving you insight into opens, clicks, bounces, and list growth so you can track performance over time. There are limitations though. Automation is more basic compared to advanced competitors, and building complex workflows or personalized journeys can feel restrictive. Some personalization options and advanced content tools are only available on higher-priced plans, so lower tiers give you the basics but not much beyond. While the templates are plentiful, they don't always feel modern or fully flexible for strong branding needs. Pricing also climbs quickly as your list grows, and when you add features, the cost may start to outweigh the value compared to other platforms. Constant Contact is best for small and medium-sized businesses that want an easy-to-use tool with strong deliverability, a solid range of templates, and extra perks like event management. It's especially appealing if you want a platform that just works without a steep learning curve. It's less ideal if you're looking for advanced personalization, highly customized automation, or if you expect your costs to scale rapidly with a growing list. My view is that Constant Contact does well at what it promises. It may not have the most sophisticated automation, but for many businesses, it provides a reliable and approachable way to manage email marketing effectively. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one of them.